Hello students, to install Banking Course Plus Job app, type Banking Course Plus Jobs in the search bar of Play Store. You will find Ask Careers Banking Course Plus Job app. Click on the app. Now download this app by clicking on the install button. After installing, you will see Banking Course Plus Job app in your phone. Instruction page will open as soon as you click on the app, where you will get information about the app and placements. You will be able to access the app as soon as you log into Gmail. On the home screen of Banking Course Plus Job app, you will see Certificate in Banking and Finance, Interview Prep Guide and Apply for Job. These three features. To unlock Interview Prep Guide and apply for jobs, you have to complete all the 12 modules in Certificate in Banking and Finance. Click on Certificate in Banking and Finance. To access the complete app, click on Get Full Access and enter the scholarship code. After applying the scholarship code, you will get eligible for the scholarship. After this, complete this process by clicking on Pay Now. By clicking on Pay Now, you will see the option to fill the form. Verify your email ID by clicking on the form details and the detailed form will open. In the form, you have to enter your personal, education, family, and work details. Upload your ID proof, fill all the details, and submit the form. Now close the screen and refresh the app. To read course content in detail, click on All About BFSI. Now you will be able to access all 12 modules, which include topics related to banking and finance like banking overview, banking products, banking processes, and so on. You will be able to give assessment only after reading 100% all the topics of any module. Similarly, to unlock the certificate assessment, complete all the modules and assessments 100%. Click on the course instructions to understand all the details of the course. Along with more course content, you can also get latest news related to banking and finance industry by clicking on Market Intelligence. Complete this course, get your certification, and kickstart your successful banking career. All the best.